Hi friend, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to fill refrigerant in your car AC system. So you must require this following equipment. You have to connect the shorter end of the hose with the gauge and the longer end with the valve and the cylinder unit. So you have to connect all the hose and the gauge and the cylinder unit as shown in the video, and you have to check the pressure. You can see here is only 15 psi of pressure. So now you have to start your car engine and you have to fill the refrigerant gas gradually. Always try to use a good quality refrigerant. So after connecting, I am just refilling by opening the valve gradually, which is fitted at the side of the gauge. In your car system, the requirement of pressure is about 50 psi max, about 45 to 50 psi, not more than that, during running condition of the compressor, and you have to fill gradually. So friend, by this way you could able to fill your refrigerant in your car AC without any issue, and it will work fine. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.